Level, thank you, sir, and also I thank the honourable member for the question. So the vaccination efforts are going very well, and I'd like to begin by thanking all the Ministry of Health staff, the frontliners, and also the support teams that have been supporting the vaccination program. It hasn't been easy, as we are all aware in the beginnings of the vaccination campaign, the challenges that were faced, beginning in this Honourable House and also in social media, even in mainstream media, the challenges around the virtues of the vaccination. And we've gone past and beyond that. As we speak, we've had two phases. The first phase was initially targeted towards the frontliners and also those who are above 60 and those who are above 50 with comorbid illnesses and those who are below 50 with other significant illnesses and also above 18. After the first phase, we then progressed with the second phase, which is vaccinating everyone 18 and above, and included in that second phase is the vaccination of our children, initially beginning with those 16, 17, and 18, and then, as we all are aware, we are now vaccinating 12 to 14 with Pfizer. Sir, Honourable Speaker, we've had more than 761,000 doses of vaccines that have been provided by our partners, and I'd like to thank them, beginning with the Government of Australia, the Government of New Zealand, the Government of the United States of America, and also the Government of India, and also COVAX, the United Kingdom through COVAX, and the other multilateral partners. Our experts work hand in hand with COVAX and also with UNICEF and WHO. They look at the data that comes and also the evidence that comes from around the world, but also we're looking at what is happening with our COVID-19 epidemiology locally, and based on that is the advice given on the vaccination. Sir, as we, at this moment in time, there's 98% of our population that have received the first dose and 93% have received the second dose. To be actually exact, about 11,700 individuals in Fiji have yet to receive their first dose. And I know that most of us in this house would know somebody who haven't had their first dose, and I encourage all of us to keep on encouraging them to have their first dose. On that note, on a personal experience, about 2 weeks ago, we celebrated my grandmother's 100th birthday. And she was a lady who was at home with us during the midst of the COVID-19. She was exposed. I was isolated quite a few times. She was isolated with us. She received both her doses and also a booster dose. A personal testament, a family testament, that COVID-19 vaccination does work and protect the vulnerable in our community.
I thank the Honourable Minister.